Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, Tyke Tina's Adventures.
Yeah, we are here today. We wanted to share with you a really nice Airbnb that we stayed at in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And it was called the Mews.
The Mews, like a cat. Mew.
M-E-W-S. And it was located right in the heart of Kuala Lumpur. They call it KLCC, or Kuala Lumpur City Center. And this is really where you want to be, especially if it's your first time to Malaysia and Kuala Lumpur, because you can walk everywhere you want to go almost. So it's a really good walking Airbnb. There's food like everywhere right outside within less than 5 minutes. There's a mall in less
multiple
than
malls,
like 8 to 10 minutes to walk.
There's 2 at least.
Grocery stores within 5 minutes. It's such a good, convenient location that we wanted to share it with you guys. We only paid less than $60 a night for this Airbnb, and it had everything. It had the, you'll see, all
full
the
kitchen,
stuff.
had laundry facility in it. I mean, it's
it was really nice to have a laundry, a washer dryer combo right in the apartment. So we won't take any more of your time, and we're going to let you watch the video. Please subscribe to our channel, and please give us a thumbs up so YouTube will catch this in the algorithm and we can keep bringing great content to you. Thanks, guys. Okay, we are here at our Airbnb for the next couple of weeks in Kuala Lumpur. This is called the Mews KLCC. And there's Mr. Tyke. What are you doing, Tyke?
trying to find subscribers to make some news.
Tyke is always looking for new subscribers, so if you like learning about hotel and Airbnb rooms and getting a full tour and learning about life in Southeast Asia, then give us a like and go ahead and subscribe to the channel, Tyke Tina Adventures, and we will continue with this room tour. This is a really nice Airbnb. This Mews is just walking distance from downtown Kuala Lumpur City Center, the Twin Towers, the big mall, Surya Mall. It's a great place. We've been staying at hotels, so this is our first Airbnb in KLCC, and one of the hotels we stayed at, the Crown Plaza, is literally across the street from this Airbnb. This is lovely. I love the high ceilings. Makes you feel like you're in your own house. This is a big space, really nice area, and right as you walk in, there's these mirrored closets. So this whole wall has closets, and you've got all this, places to put your shoes and have a few things here. And then you walk into the kitchen area, and you've got a full-size fridge. Well, kind of an apartment size. It's about a half fridge there. And the bottom is all freezer. And you've got your microwave, and you've got an oven. You can cook a pizza or whatever you want to do while you're here. And this door is the laundry room, so it actually comes with a washer. I didn't look. Is it a dryer combo, or is it just, looks like it's just a washer. But that's plenty fine. We like having a washing machine. And then you have this cooktop, and they provide you with the pots and pans you need. They provide you with the dishes that you need, and they have some Dawn dish soap here for you. So it looks like everything you need for a wonderful stay is all included. I like having all the utensils. I noticed there's a tea kettle and a toaster up in the cupboard there too. And there you've got a rice cooker and some bowls. That's very nice. You've got plenty of room for 4 people. They even give you a high chair. And I noticed in one of the closets there's like a little play and pack little kids crib type thing. So you've also got, well, you could actually sit 6 people at this table because they've given you these 2 stools that come out from under the arm of that couch. Looks like a really nice sofa you can lounge on. Probably even rolls into a bed. And a pretty good sized TV. They do have free Wi-Fi included. Look at the lovely view out off of the patio. You can sit out on the patio if you want and look out over the downtown KLCC. It's gonna be nice to walk around and explore. We like to be walking distance from things, so this is perfect. So you have a really good sized room here. At least 4 people could comfortably sit on this couch. So it's gonna be perfect for the 2 of us. We're gonna enjoy some cooking that we haven't been able to do in some of the hotels we've been at. Although the food here is amazing. And then you walk in, this has a closed door to the bedroom, which is lovely. So you walk into the bedroom. You've got a nice queen size bed, it looks like. Maybe a king, looks like a queen to me. And you've got, again, these beautiful windows to let in all the natural light, but then light blocking curtains for when you want to sleep. You got a desk area with some pretty art. I like that they have a rug. I like to do yoga in the mornings, and it's hard to do that on a slick surface because I don't pack around a yoga mat. They've given us some towels. And then if you walk in, here's the bathroom right off the bedroom. You have a nice door that will, and you've got a good soaker tub, got a nice sink with a big vanity. I like being able to have a nice vanity to put stuff on the counters. You've got the toilet with the sprayer and a nice good sized shower with a little ledge to put your shower products. And it's got the rain head, and it's also got the handle, the handheld sprayer. So this is a really good sized bathroom as well. Plus you've got more storage. This entire wall here is storage. So you could put all of your, they've even got you some drawers and plenty of hangers to put all of your stuff in the closet. It really feels like a homey Airbnb condo. Okay, we will head off to the gym and the pool and show you that as well.